Me know I'm destined for greatness and me can't wait. Me have a date with my blessings for later and me can't let. Me I walk straight in on my purpose.
Welcome to another week of Predis. I'm your host Michaela Leana, and you just saw our intro video, Purpose by Jovi. This week we're on Wellington Drive and we have a jam-packed show in store for you. Without further ado, let's get the show on the road. Great vibes, good food, and a whole bunch of hot girls. It all went down at daybreak, the breakfast party held at Grizzly's Plantation Cove in St. Ann. We were there just to bring you the highlights.
When she buck up in a Jones have thugs and the De La Vega thugs stop, bang, stop, man, them. Gyal a been up in a 9 and in a 10. Say me never get a this way again.
Clean, clean. Every girl a scream, Jenna them a rollin'. Dream team. We smoke and get high. Anything me buy,
With me colonna kick like Jackie Chan. Rolex with a spiff in a me and hybrid. Where you get it from up a Barbican road. 10 cars giving it a bang bang.
I said it in tough. Ice and chaser come tip that drink up. The vibes right and thugs them hype but we don't give up.
with people. Rise in my dick and run them all. Me goody and me with them in a your schema. Empty to be your girlfriend move.
Well, we just came here to, enjoy the different scene, your breakfast party, we love it. Great here, it's always great, so we just came to have fun. Well, when you come to daybreak, you see all the friends, you're singing, everyone's always going out. And the music is good, the food is good, the vibe is good. It's a win-win.
Vibes and energy, excellent vibes and energy. Great selection, great music. Daybreak on that party we look good for all the time. I don't know, give a different vibes. You see me, morning the girls them out. I don't know, my brother them keep it, so I don't know what to come support. But it's also something different, We used to go into the parties in the nights and they have a breakfast party now. You can come out early, dress up, dress nicely and step out. And look at the ladies. The ladies are here, I am here. Yeah, man, so, it's a good look. Daybreak, big up on yourself. Again, a promoter and also as a patron, you have to go to an event that is actually worthwhile. And this is one of them. Coming back, being back on board, you hear different reviews from over and over and over. And this was one of the great reviews that I got. So it's only fitting to come to the great weekend, right? What are your thoughts about the party so far? You've been here a long time? Well, I've been here from the start, probably about 2 or 3 years now. Not too bad, it's pretty good. The vibe is nice, the food is good, the people is here, everybody is mellow. So it's really well, it's going good, it's going good. The idea behind Daybreak is to bring what is coming from Trinidad, the high energy breakfast party, and just put our local Jamaican twist on it. We have a specific target market that love high fashion and new fun things to do. So the network just fuse all of those combinations together and you can see the result, the people love it. So today, I think it's a number of factors. Ocho weekend, I had dead for a while. So we were rejuvenating the weekend and people in Kingston, Mobe, even Ochi have been looking forward to the era, bring back the era to life again. So I think the flood most of me today is just to support because even though you have a good product, the people still have to buy into it. So when you're driving and you see all the cars, you come in and you see all the beautiful people, it still gives you that shock, that you're really delivering a product that the people love.
And that was Daybreak, the breakfast party, promoted by The Network. Now we're on to our first commercial break. When we get back, it's all about Goldface and the music video premiere. We'll be right back.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gala overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cock, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how we be Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. No, we turn up in a sack. Take charge, take charge. Magnum. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.
The sun it hot like fire, but I still have to go try and get through what me have to do today. My friend them pan the corner, me I link them out, we gonna ride up soon. Go look around me, say I ride for myself, I play